Let's learn how to add music to Instagram post with multiple photos. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for every phone. So let us start by opening our Instagram application. Now what you want to do is to click on this add post plus button that's in bottom middle. Here it will open you media files. Just select to add multiple photos option and add messages or add posts and pictures you want. I will choose some random pictures to add just to show you an example. Okay, so when you done this, let's learn how you can make a TikTok video private. Music appear. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device if you want. After you selected image, just select some random music, click on done, and click next. Make sure you unmute this before you play music, and as you can see when it's the share page, your music will appear here. If you want to remove it, just click on X on the side and you will have to